In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Adobe Photoshop on Windows. If you're new to Photoshop or just need a quick refresher, there are two simple ways to launch it, using the Start menu search or using a desktop shortcut if you've set one up. I'll walk you through both so you can use whatever feels most convenient. Let's begin with the Start menu method. Look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button. As soon as the Start menu opens, simply start typing the words Adobe Photoshop. You don't need to click anywhere else. Windows will automatically bring up a search box and start showing results as you type. In the search results, look for the Adobe Photoshop application. It often shows the familiar blue square icon with the letters PS. If you see multiple entries, such as different versions, pick the one you want to use. Once it's highlighted, press Enter on your keyboard. That's it. You should see the Photoshop splash screen appear, followed by the main interface. If your computer is a bit busy, give it a moment. It may take a few seconds to fully open. If Windows can't find it, double check your spelling or make sure Photoshop is installed on your system. Now, if you've created a desktop shortcut, launching Photoshop can be even faster. Minimize or close any windows so you can see your desktop. Look for the Photoshop icon there. Again, it's typically the blue PS logo. To open it, double click the icon. Make sure you double click quickly. A single click will only select the icon, while a double click actually opens the program. After that, you'll see the same splash screen and then the home workspace. If you don't spot the icon on your desktop, that just means a shortcut wasn't created earlier, so use the Start menu method instead. Once Photoshop opens, you'll land on the home screen where you can open an existing file or start a new document. Seeing this screen is a good sign that everything launched correctly. If you pressed Enter or double-clicked and nothing seems to happen immediately, watch for the loading cursor or check your taskbar. Photoshop may already be starting in the background, and that's all there is to it. You can launch Photoshop anytime using the Start menu search or with a quick